Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Xtreme Beyblade Burst! Anyways, I ordered Buster Dran online and it came. So, let's open this. Wait, let me get my scissors. So, and guess how much it was? In rupees, in India, it's rupees, and it was just $4.99. Ah! How do you open this? There, found it. Yes. Yes, finally. So, we have the string. We have the launcher. We have the tip, the body, the metal and all. So let's open. I need scissors. Okay. This is not the metal, but it's like it's the middle part. This is basically like the top part. Damn, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty nice, heavy. And this is the tip. This is where we do the extreme dash now. So basically, here you go. You keep the white, no, not white. You keep this light blue stuff. You keep it like this. How do you keep this? Yeah. This takes some time. Yeah. How do you do this? Yeah, I'm finally. This is taking some time to figure out. I'm not getting it. How do you keep this? Let us see. Wait. So basically, guys, you have to do the. So guys, you have to do the light blue side. Then you just have to turn it left side or right side. So this is it. So guys, I don't have a stadium to show. What? It says over here, X Winder Laucher. So guys, I don't have a stadium. So we launch on my table. So here it is, the launcher. this white hole, you keep it. There we go. So guys, let's see. So guys, look. You keep it like this. You click it. What? Oh, you're not supposed to click it. Damn! Look how good that is. Look, it is without the metal. Sorry. Technical issues. Technical issues. So let me connect it again. Okay. So you're not supposed to click it. You're just supposed to launch it. What is wrong? What is wrong with these technical issues? Why is this taking so much time? Finally. It's bad. It's so bad. What is wrong? So guys, it's taking too much time. So that's why our metal fusion is better than this. It's like not even launching. I might try the other side, like the white side. Okay. I can't do this. It's not sticking. Looks like it's the other side. Okay, last try. If it does not work, it's not working. If it falls down, it just like break. It's bad quality. Finally, it's not falling down. This video is very, very long. Okay, last launch. This is not working. So guys, next video I will try to launch it. So guys, this is the unboxing. Bye. Hello guys, so I finally figured out how to keep my Buster Dran, and it's pretty simple. Very, very complex. So basically, first, this is the tip this is the Ratchet. I'll show you. So basically, you see this white thing, and then this, you just keep it on this blue thing, and then you turn it. You turn it like to the what is this side again? Hey, even Sahash is here.
Submarine zero issues are seen.
So basically, it's like this. This is unlock, and this is lock. Unlock and lock. And you just stuff the tip into this hole, and done. Done. You got your new Buster Dran. So bye.
Extreme Gear!